Apps that pay PayPal Cash for playing games don't reward you for any game on your phone. They only pay when you install specific sponsored games and complete tracked actions like time played or in-game milestones. By the end of this, you'll know 5 real apps that pay PayPal Cash for playing games, how each one actually works, and what decides whether your earnings stay steady or dry up after a few days. Start with the system behind all of them. Every app on this list follows the same structure. You install a game through the app, play it under tracking rules, then earn points or credits. Those credits can be redeemed for PayPal Cash once you reach the app's minimum payout threshold. The differences come down to 3 things: how many games they offer, how strict their tracking is, and how often new offers rotate in. First category is dedicated game reward apps. These platforms focus almost entirely on mobile games. You earn by reaching levels, playing for required time, or completing in-game milestones. The experience is simple, but once you run out of active games, earnings slow until new ones appear. Second category is offer wall gaming apps. These apps mix games with task-based offers. Instead of just passive playtime, you often need to complete specific goals inside a game. That usually means faster early progress, but more structured requirements. Third category is hybrid reward apps. These combine gaming with surveys and small microtasks. Games are only part of the system, so your total PayPal earnings depend on how often you switch between different earning methods. Now here's what actually matters when choosing one. Game availability is the biggest factor. If an app doesn't refresh its game list regularly, you quickly run out of high-value opportunities after a few installs. Tracking reliability is the second factor. If your gameplay isn't recorded correctly, you can lose progress toward rewards even if you completed everything. The third factor is payout speed. Some apps process PayPal withdrawals quickly after reaching the threshold, while others require more waiting depending on their verification system. So the smartest approach isn't downloading everything. It's testing one app, checking how quickly it gives you new games, and seeing whether your gameplay is tracked consistently. Summary: apps that pay PayPal Cash for games rely on sponsored installs and milestone tracking. Earnings depend on game availability, tracking accuracy, and payout reliability. Not all apps stay consistent long-term. Next step: install one app and complete a single game milestone to test how fast your activity is tracked and credited. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or misleading claims.